Every year, Xiaomi prepares a gift for us at Christmas and New Year, and this year is no exception. Xiaomi 13 series is Xiaomi's best New Year gift to us. This gift is still some time away from the official sale. The full review will be here for a little while, but at least now we can show you guys the unboxing video. So welcome to the Xiaomi 13 series unboxing and the first impression video. I'm Will. The boxes for both phones are the same as the previous generation, one black and one white. We unboxed the Xiaomi 13 Pro first, and when we saw the size of the box, we knew there must be a charger inside. Among all Xiaomi phones, it seems that only Xiaomi 11 users do not have a charger. This small box is filled with a number of accessories, including card pins, transparent phone case, and manual. Take out the phone first, look at the following accessories. Sure enough, there's a charger and data cable inside. The charger is 120 watt, a little smaller than before. This is all the accessories of Xiaomi 13 Pro. For Xiaomi 13 standard version, other than the charger being a 67 watt one, all the accessories are the same, so I will not go through them again here. Let's put our attention on both phones, starting with the standard version because I really like it. As a 6.36-inch, 190 grams phone, it just packs with an incredible amount of stuff. There's a telephoto lens, a 4500 mAh battery, wireless charging, NFC, an infrared emitter. At this size, when you look at the specs, even the S22 and iPhone 14 are ashamed of themselves, so I'm looking forward to its performance in full review. The design of Xiaomi 13 standard version is not very impressive, a flat bezel plus flat back panel, but the back panel is still rounded, so it feels a little better than the iPhone. The blue vegan leather is made by a new technology called nanotech skin. From their promotional video, the dirt resistance is substantially improved, but the resistance to scratches and abrasion is not as good as the glass, so I still do not recommend the vegan leather version. As for those limited colors, they are only available online at Xiaomi store, so I can't show them to you. After lighting up the screen, it seems that we've seen it somewhere before. S22, is that you? Just kidding. It also shows how good this screen is. The four bezels are almost equal in width. The lower bezel is a little wider, but is not visible to the eye. If you want to buy a straight screen compact phone, now there's a new option besides Samsung. The 13 Pro is actually designed to be bigger than the standard version, with the screen becoming curved. The back panel has also been replaced with a ceramic. When you flip to the front, the 2K 120Hz OLED doesn't seem to be different from the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, but the light emitting material has been changed to E6, and the maximum brightness has become higher. Other than that, there doesn't seem to be anything special. The main upgrades of the Pro version are in those invisible places like the camera and performance. For example, we're about to see how great its 1-inch sensor is, but I have no way to tell you right now. So based on this hands-on experience, you may think it is not as good as the standard version, but in the full review, we will show you all its advantages. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The full review of Xiaomi 13 series will come soon. MIUI has also been updated, and the main upgrade point of the new MIUI 14 is smoothness. Many users may be very impressed with the lag of MIUI 12 or 13. Xiaomi claims that MIUI 14 will become very smooth. Some new widgets have been added, and you can even have a pad on the desktop. Another thing I really like is that you can delete most of the apps. Many users don't like the system apps that they don't use at all, and MIUI 14 will be able to delete them all, which is very nice. That's all there is to this video. We are pretty impressed with the Xiaomi 13 series, especially the standard version, which is my favorite phone these days. There are still a lot of things that we can't test, like the camera and the performance. We will make a full review of them soon. Stay tuned. I'm Will from Gizmochina, and we will see you next time.